Hey everyone! Lenovo expanded its iconic ThinkPad lineup with the release of the ThinkPad T14s AI 2024 Ryzen Edition, now available on JD.com for $1,375. This version builds upon the Snapdragon X Elite-powered model introduced earlier this year, delivering a robust AMD-powered alternative designed to excel in both productivity and AI-driven applications. At the heart of the ThinkPad T14s Ryzen Edition is the Ryzen AI 7 Pro 360 CPU, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and turbo frequency of up to 5.0 GHz. This CPU ensures exceptional multitasking and energy efficiency. Complementing this is Ryzen NPU, an AI processor capable of delivering 50 TOPS, ideal for accelerating AI applications, machine learning tasks, intelligent software features. Integrated Radeon graphics enhance visual performance, making this laptop versatile for both professional workloads and light content creation. Laptop boasts 32 gigs of LPDDR5X dual-channel memory, clocked at an impressive 7,500 MHz, enabling smooth operation for even the most demanding tasks. Storage is handled by a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast data access and ample space for files, applications, and media. The 14-inch WUXGAD IPS anti-glare matte display offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels with a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivering 400 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB color gamut coverage. It ensures vivid and accurate color reproduction. With low blue light certification, screen is designed for extended viewing comfort, making it ideal for professionals working long hours. Its 88% screen-to-body ratio enhances visual immersion, whether for spreadsheets or streaming. ThinkPad T14s Ryzen Edition incorporates Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and Thunderbolt 4, ensuring high-speed connectivity and future-proof compatibility. It also features a versatile array of ports, including USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and a headphone or microphone combo jack. Security is prioritized with 5 megapixels infrared camera, supporting facial recognition, fingerprint reader, and a physical privacy shutter. These features align with Lenovo's reputation for delivering enterprise-grade security. Weighing approximately 1.3 kilograms and measuring 16.9 millimeters thin, ThinkPad T14s is crafted for portability. Its 58 watt-hour battery supports up to 23 hours of local video playback and rapid charging, reaching 80% capacity in just 1 hour, perfect for users on the go. ThinkPad T14s includes Lenovo's signature keyboard, which features spill resistance, backlighting, and the iconic ThinkPad trackpoint. Additional enhancements include Dolby Audio, dual noise-canceling microphones, and MIL-STD 819H certification, ensuring durability under diverse conditions. Laptop ships with Windows 11 Home and Microsoft Office, making it ready for productivity straight out of the box. In addition to the ThinkPad T14s, Lenovo has broadened its product ecosystem in 2024. Notable launches include the Lenovo Watch with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and continuous health monitoring, alongside the AI Buddy Smart Assistant for conversational support and AI-driven interactions. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Ryzen Edition reaffirms Lenovo's leadership in crafting laptops that balance performance, innovation, and portability. It's a compelling choice for professionals seeking cutting-edge AI capabilities in a sleek, durable package. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.